Hi everyone, I would like to show you the Teams integration in Canvas. This may be an easier way for you to provide those quarantine students a chance to zoom in or not zoom in, but remote into your classes, especially if your class is already equipped with a webcam. It should be pretty easy. So let me demonstrate the process. Because I'm in quarantine now, I've been doing Teams meetings for my classes. And what I did was, in my modules, I created a page that had the Teams meeting links for the meetings when we were going to join, and that's how the students join those meetings. They'd go into Canvas, go into Module 1, find the page for the team meeting, and join the meeting from there. What you may want to do is just create a quick quarantine module and post those pages in there as you see fit. Let me demonstrate that process. I'll create a new module. I will call this Quarantine Teams Links. I'll add the module. It's down here now. I'm going to click the plus button. I'm going to add a page. I'm going to name this page, create page. I'm going to name this page Join Link August 19th. Add the item. I'm going to go into it, and then I'm going to edit it, and then say, here is the join link for August 19th. Now, here's what you do. Go to this plugin icon. Click on it, and mine is showing Microsoft Teams meetings already because I've used it. If yours is not showing that, click the View All button. Then you're going to find Microsoft Teams meetings. Click on that. It will ask you to sign in. You only have to do this once, and then the computer should remember you. And then it's as simple as create meeting link. And you can give it a title. I'll say August 19th. And the time for your class. I'll say that this is from, this needs to be August 19th. And then we'll go, I say 4 to 5. I'll click create, make sure the times are right. Click create. And click copy, and that will put that in there. Now, the students, after you publish it, I'll go back to modules. You'll need to tell your students to look in the Quarantine Teams Links module and to join on that meeting for that day. All they have to do then is click on the link and then click on the join. So this will prevent you from having to create those Microsoft Teams with all your students in it. You'll only need to create a link if a student needs it. And it should be a little bit easier way to get that going. And of course, you can join from the same link. So when you get started in class, open up Canvas, go to the page, click the join, open Microsoft Teams, and it will start the meeting, and you're off to the races in Microsoft Teams. All right, I hope this is helpful. It's a little bit easier way to provide those join links right in Canvas, and then you know where to join from, and your students know where to join from. All right.